Today I have another scanned mesh file and I will create a new part around it. So first we need to import the mesh file. Here is our scanned geometry. We need to align it. So I will adjust it like this. First I need to select center and ground, and then I will align it. We don't need to create these parts. Actually we have to create a new part around this. This part should be fine from right side and front side, and I can see that this is enough. Let's start this. So for the scan data we will use create mesh section sketch, and this is our body. And for the section plane I will select this top plane, move the sketch here. I want to create a part around this one and this one, so I need an approximate curve of this and a perfect scale for this one. Click OK. In the sketches I can see this is my first sketch. Click on this and edit sketch. Now we can hide this. In the sketches we have an option fit curves to mesh section. Click on this, and here we have fit curve types, spline, arc and line. So here we need lines because we want to create a scale, and there should be enough tolerance to place the part over this model. So click here. Now this is a over approximate sketch. Click OK, and again we need to create a curve around this, so the part will become like this, and here it will become a curve. So for that click on this, and here I will use spline. Click OK. If I hide in this one, then here we can see that our sketch is approximately close to our mesh, but we want to create a sketch around this one. Finish this sketch and start a new sketch. Select this top plane. I will hide this one and then start creating lines. The length of this line is more than this one, so I will keep the measurement of this line, approximate measurement, so which is approximately 7 mm. Click OK. Now this will be our tolerance. If I and then click here, we need to make a constant of perpendicular here, and also perpendicular here, and also perpendicular here, and these two lines are equal. Yes, these are already constant. This one and this one is parallel. and again that is constant because I already gave perpendicular constraint. And it should be around 8.5. Yes, now it is fine. And for this one I will again create a new spline. And we need to make it smooth, but also it should match our scanned file. So for that I can keep it like this. Here I will create a line. Actually this is a construction line, and we need to create a hole around this, and dimension for this should be 16. And again here we need a circle, and we can make it construction. Now I will take a spline to make a joint between these two circles. So for that I will select here, and I want to connect it approximately here. Click OK. Now the relation is tangent, and also here is also tangent, and I want to keep it about here. And I will keep it here. Now I will make a cut between this circle, because I don't want to make a complete round surface here. So for that I will use this one and here, and I will trim remaining. And I will use offset, and offset distance is 1 millimeter. Click OK. Trim this one, and also now we need to close this sketch by create a line. Here I will create a line, and now the sketch is ready. Finish sketch, hide this one, and we will extrude this 160 millimeter. So it is 160, and here I will apply a fillet, and fillet will be 2 millimeter. Click OK, and this is our part which is perfectly ready. Now this part will be placed on that circular rod, and that will wrap around that circular profile. So this will act as a wrapper for machine. We can apply fillets here, and also we can apply fillet here. Click OK. and also we need to apply fillet at this face. Now this is our model which is perfectly ready for 3D print and manufacturing. So I hope this video will help you to understand how we can create new parts over scanned mesh files. Now here we will see this scanned mesh file, and here we can see that this is perfectly ready with this perfectly match this surface, and this will act as a wrapper for machine. If you want any help in any 3D model, scanned mesh file, or repairing 3D model or CAD CAM services, then you can contact us. So if you like this video and if you're interested to watch more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.